Welcome to Java Forum. So, in this video, we are going to see how to view the mission info details or how to change the mission info details in CentOS Streamline operating system. So, first I am logging to the terminal as a root user. Hostname CTL command. So here you can see that static host name, chassis name, icon name, deployment name is there. So these are all the metadata. So metadata means the data provided by Linux administrator. So these data are available in the file under /etc/mission-info. So you can see that mission-info file I have displayed the content. You can see that chassis name, icon name, deployment name, location name, and it will be displayed here. So you can modify this content directly. Okay, cat/etc-mission-info. So here I am going to modify the location name and deployment name. So instead of modifying using hostname CTL, I am modified in a mission info file. Okay, so I have modified in mission info file. Let me execute the hostname CTL command. Yes, you can see that location and deploy names are got updated. So now what I'm going to do, I am going to set the pretty host name. So let me set the pretty host name. hyphen pretty. That's it. So now let me check the machine info file. So pretty host name is updated, but let me check the machine info cat/etc/mission-info. Yes, you can see that pretty host name is available in mission-info, which means that mission-info file is having direct impact on hostname CTL command. Okay, so make use of this mission-info file in your projects.